Hello, so today we're going to be subtracting polynomials. So in subtracting polynomials, the difference between subtracting and adding is when we add, we combine like terms. However, when subtracting, you can't just subtract like normal. You're not subtracting everything, subtracting the second set of polynomials from the first set of polynomials. So what you're going to do is you're going to have to distribute the negative, which in this case will be an imaginary 1 right here, that negative to everything inside the parentheses as seen here. So for example, we're going to take this part right here, we're going to do negative 1 times 2y squared plus 2xy minus 3. And we're going to take that negative and we're going to distribute it to everything inside. So negative 1 times 2y squared becomes negative 2y squared. Negative 1 times 2xy becomes negative 2xy. Negative 1 times negative 3, negative times a negative is a positive, becomes positive 3. So now when I rewrite the equation, it's going to look like 5y squared plus 2xy minus 9 plus, or in this case we're going to take away the plus and just say minus 2y squared minus 2xy plus 3. Now we follow the rule of adding polynomials, because now we're taking this whole thing and we're adding it the first set of polynomials, second set. So now the rule is for adding polynomials, you're going to combine like terms. Now remember, we could do it vertically or we could do it horizontally, but I'll show you both ways. First thing we do is we identify the like terms. You have 5y squared with the negative 2y squared. You have the 2xy with the negative 2xy, and then you have the negative 9 plus the positive 3, the two constants. These are going to be my like terms. So now to rewrite it, I will rewrite it both ways to show you. I'm going to do it first horizontally, which is going to look like 5y squared minus my 2y squared. And then I'm going to have plus 2xy minus my 2xy my negative 9 plus 3. So I have 3 sets of like terms. What is 5y squared minus 2y squared? 5 minus 2 is 3. That is 3y squared. 2xy minus 2xy, they cross out. Negative 9 plus 3 is negative 6. That would be my final answer if I did it horizontally. Now if I were to do it vertically, I'm going to again take my combined terms, go back up here, and write them vertically as in up and down. This is horizontally, left and right. So it's going to look like this. My 5y squared plus 2xy minus 9. What we're going to need the 5y squared, of course they're both being added, plus negative 2y squared. What will go underneath the 2xy? My negative 2xy minus 2xy. And of course the plus 3 would go underneath the 9 like this. And I would cross it out. Now what's 5y squared minus 2y squared? Or plus negative 2y squared? That is 3y squared. And of course, since these are opposites, they just cross out. Don't really have to write a plus 0, wasting time. Negative 9 plus 3 would give me my negative 6. So it doesn't matter which way you do it, you will still get the same answer. Any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me. Oh, sorry. Have a lovely day. Goodbye.